In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear taillight on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Unscrew the 3 clips on the back of the taillight. These can get pretty stuck on. If you need to, you could use a pair of pliers on them. Just be careful with the plastic, you don't want to break it. Remove the 3 fasteners. Remove the tail light. We're going to have 2 connectors on the back. Remove the bulbs out of the old taillight assembly. Quarter turn to the left and they pop out. Remove the covers on the new taillight assembly. Install the bulbs into the new taillight assembly. Install the taillight. Install the fasteners onto the back of the taillight. Get all the fasteners nice and tight, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.